Career Tech in India 2024 second edition. Now we are at GEFIT India Technologies Private Limited. So sir, can you please tell us something about your technologies so that it will be helpful for us to know more about it?
So GEFIT India Technology, it is an Italian-based company, and we are the manufacturer of a special purpose machine and assembly line mainly for the main automotive industries. The technology we use from Italy, but we make the machines in India. So that is our plan, and also we are growing in such a way that.
Sir, I just heard about that you also made some customized components for that.
Yes.
So can you please explain more about it?
So this GEFIT group was founded in 1967, and we are present in 7 locations in the worldwide. So we are Italy, USA, Hungary, and China, Mexico, and in India. So GEFIT India has been established in 2019. So we are about 40 colleagues in now, and we are building the machines in India. Start from sales, phase to installation and commissioning. We do the sales, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, software engineering, and then mechanical assembly, electrical assembly, and complete solutions we provide to our customer.
So sir, today we are at the IICCI event. So what's your expectation from this event?
From GEFIT India expectation, we want to know each other, Italian companies. So that is our first expectation, because this platform connects with all Italian companies together, and it was a good opportunity. This was the first time participation for GEFIT India.
Thank you so much, sir.